Have you ever tried to enjoy your favorite song or practice your instrument, only to find the sound is muddy and clear or just not quite right? It can be really frustrating when you know the music should sound better, but you are not sure why it does not or what to do about it. Acoustic treatment dramatically improves sound quality by controlling how sound waves behave within a room. It reduces unwanted echoes, excessive reverberation, and standing waves, allowing you to hear your music with greater clarity, detail, and accuracy. The primary reason sound quality suffers in untreated rooms is due to reflections. When sound waves hit hard, flat surfaces like walls, ceilings, and floors, they bounce back into the room. Too many uncontrolled reflections create what is known as excessive reverberation, making sounds blur together, reducing intelligibility, and distorting the original signal. Acoustic treatment combats this by using specialized materials and designs to either absorb these reflections, preventing them from bouncing back, or diffuse them, scattering them in multiple directions to break up harsh echoes. To start improving your sound, you can begin by identifying the problem areas in your space. Listen for distinct echoes, particularly behind your listening position, or a general muddiness in the bass frequencies. You can then research different types of treatment, like acoustic panels for absorption, diffusers for scattering sound, and bass traps specifically designed to tame low-frequency buildup. Strategic placement, often at primary reflection points, is key to their effectiveness. An insider tip for serious sound improvement involves understanding something called room modes. These are specific low-frequency resonances that can cause certain bass notes to sound either boomy and exaggerated or completely disappear, creating an uneven bass response throughout your room. Targeting these with properly placed bass traps can lead to a much tighter, more accurate low end that completely transforms your musical experience. Ultimately, acoustic treatment creates a balanced, neutral listening environment where you can truly appreciate the nuances of your music and make more informed decisions about your own playing or recording. It allows you to hear what is actually happening in the sound, not just what your room is doing to the sound, leading to a much more satisfying and productive musical journey.